Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Random Fact Talks. Today, we're diving into something really exciting and thought-provoking social experiment and how it is related to the most popular reality game show called Bigg Boss. Bigg Boss vs. Universe 25, social experiment or psychological chaos. What is Bigg Boss? Bigg Boss is the ultimate reality show where contestants from all walks of life are trapped in a house for weeks with no phones, no internet, and zero contact with the outside world. They're thrown into daily challenges, battling for food, and alliances form, but trust me, chaos follows close behind. Imagine watching social dynamics explode in a pressure cooker. Friendships bloom one minute, then boom, fights over food, backstabbing, and emotional meltdowns the next. It's intense, unpredictable, and absolutely wild. Now let us understand what is Universe 25 experiment. In the 1970s, John B. Calhoun ran a mind-blowing experiment called Universe 25. He created a perfect world for rats, unlimited food, water, shelter, and no predators. It should have been rat paradise. At first, the population boomed, but soon the rats started fighting for space and power, and everything went downhill. Their social behavior crumbled, they got aggressive, isolated, and violent. Some rats even stopped reproducing and became obsessed with grooming themselves. Calhoun called them the beautiful ones. In the end, despite plenty of resources, the population collapsed. Now let us dive in. What does Bigg Boss and Universe 25 have in common? Let's break it down. First, isolation and limited space. Just like the rats in Universe 25, the contestants are trapped in an enclosed space, completely cut off from the outside world. As the isolation kicks in, we witness mental breakdowns and intense emotional outbursts. Second, social hierarchies and dominance. In both Universe 25 and Bigg Boss, groups form naturally, and the battle for control begins. In the rat experiment, dominant males claimed territory. In Bigg Boss, contestants form alliances and fight to dominate the game. Third, conflict over scarcity. It's a recurring theme. In Universe 25, rats fought for space though food was abundant. Similarly, Bigg Boss contestants clash over food and luxury, showing that competition thrives even in comfort. Finally, surveillance and performative behavior. As the rats' stress levels increased in crowded spaces, their behavior changed. Similarly, contestants alter their actions, knowing they're constantly watched by cameras, and judged by both their housemates and the audience. Now we came to the stage to conclude our understandings. Unlike the rats in Universe 25, humans have the unique ability to reflect and change. In Bigg Boss, we sometimes witness moments of kindness and growth, even after intense conflicts. This shows that, despite pressure and competition, humans can still choose to evolve and adapt. So, what do you think? Do you see other parallels between Bigg Boss and Universe 25? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this.